Welcome to the charming Disney Newport Bay Club, nestled on the shores of Lake Disney, just a short scenic stroll from the Disneyland Park in Paris and the newly rebranded Disney Adventure World. My name is Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today we're stepping inside an accessible family room. We'll be covering every detail to give you a complete look at what to expect before you secure your next stay. Before booking, remember to contact the Vacationeer for exclusive rates and insider knowledge like how to get park tickets included with your stay. Our concierge services provide value you won't find anywhere else, so reach out today to secure the best deal on your next Disney vacation. Now, without further ado, let's jump right in and tour the room. The superior rooms, which includes family rooms, are the entry-level category here at the Newport Bay Club, but don't let that fool you. This hotel is packed with nautical charm and subtle theming elements throughout the room. From the custom headboards to the intricate knots in the carpet, complete with hidden Mickey ears, the attention to detail is exactly what you'd expect from Disney. As you enter, on one side you'll find a small storage area. Inside you'll find hanging space with shelving up above, along with a room safe, luggage rack, iron, and ironing board. The bathrooms in these accessible family rooms feature a roll-in shower with no threshold, a shower chair, an adjustable handheld wand, and daily refilled bath amenities. The large vanity area features a sink, large mirror with plenty of room underneath for clearance, plus a built-in hairdryer built into the wall. The toilet has grab bars on one side, and there are also lower towel racks to ensure easy access from a chair. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find one queen-size bed which is set on an elevated platform, providing plenty of clearance underneath to tuck your large suitcases or large items away. Next to the bed is a dresser that functions as a nightstand with drawers to tuck away smaller items, and you'll find European power outlets conveniently located on the opposite side of the bed. And since this is a family room, you'll have a bunk bed that features child-sized mattresses and subtle nautical theming. The theming extends up to the portholes that surround the room with appearances from some of my favorite Disney characters. Across from the beds, a desk sits beneath a flat panel smart TV. Just underneath, you'll find updated outlets featuring both European plugs and USB ports for all your devices. This is also useful for somebody using the desk that needs power or USB charging. In the corner of the room is one of my favorite features, the Lavazza coffee maker, which is refreshed daily with your preferred flavors. There's also a kettle for tea and hot chocolate for the kiddos or the young at heart. There are accessible rooms that are spread throughout the resort, and this one happens to be a terrace room. Stepping outside onto your ground floor terrace, you'll find two chairs and a table, and I love that these terrace rooms exit out into garden areas with gorgeous landscaping. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a peaceful evening or a quick pit stop in the middle of the day to recharge before heading back into the parks. Speaking of the parks, the Newport Bay Club is just a quick 10-minute walk from both Disneyland Park and Adventure World. For families, this proximity is a massive plus. It gives you the freedom to easily pop back for a midday nap, a quick outfit change, or a quiet break from the crowds without having to wait for a shuttle or transfer. Beyond your room, there's so much to explore. You can enjoy delicious cuisine at the Yacht Club restaurant or feast like royalty at the Cape Cod buffet. You can also unwind with a signature cocktail at the Captain's Quarters, take a refreshing dip in the Nantucket pool, or simply stroll around the lake and enjoy the peaceful setting. Ready for the grand tour? Dive into our full resort guide or check out our videos touring the other rooms and suites. We also have detailed room tours of nearby Disneyland Hotel right here on the channel for you to explore as well. To make the most of your Disneyland Paris vacation, reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the booking link down below and get started. We handle every detail of planning so you can simply sit back, relax, and soak up every bit of the Disney magic. This is Taylor from the Vacationeer, and if this tour helped you envision your next royal getaway, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and share it with all your Disney friends.